What's the meaning of conciseness? Conciseness. Conciseness.
Conciseness. Conciseness. The term conciseness refers to the trait of being brief and to the point. A concise message or piece of writing communicates the intended information effectively in a few carefully chosen words, without any unnecessary repetition or elaboration. This is important because it enhances clarity and comprehension, saves time for both the writer and the reader, and promotes effective communication. Conciseness is an essential skill for anyone who wants to communicate effectively and efficiently in today's fast-paced world where attention spans are short and distractions are plenty.